All right, here's a short video on the best pair of wire strippers out there. If you guys been using one of these no name brand or you got a pair of woods, I would recommend get the vise-grip, self-adjusting. Let's check it out, see how they work. I mean, it does strip the wire, but when you get to smaller gauge, it gets real hard. Here's the woods in action. All right, now we got the self-adjusting. You don't even have to think about it. I don't know what I was thinking all these years. If you never bought one of these, I recommend. Even though I don't really do much electrical work, it's just a hobby. Wiring up stuff. See how clean and easy it was? Way faster. Don't waste your money on any of these. Spend a few extra dollars. Get a pair of self-adjusting wire strippers. I've been stripping wires for over probably 10, 15 years using one of these. I don't know what the hell I was thinking.